Welcome, everyone. Semantics is the study of meaning in language. Not tone, not vibes. Meaning, the reason two people can say the same sentence and leave the conversation with completely different emotional damage. If you have ever said that is not what I meant, welcome. You are already a semanticist. Semantics explains why words are never as simple as we pretend they are. For example, I will be there soon. Soon could mean 5 minutes. Soon could mean after 1 episode. Soon could mean next business week. Semantically speaking, that word is freeloading. Freeloading means a word that contributes minimal, concrete meaning, but still occupies space in a sentence. Or take the word fine. I am fine. Fine can mean good. Fine can mean acceptable. Fine can mean the conversation is over. Same word. 3 meanings. No warning. Semantics also explains why synonyms are not interchangeable. A synonym is a word that has the same or nearly the same meaning as another word. For example, cheap and affordable. They do not mean the same thing. Childlike and childish are not complements in the same direction. Confident and arrogant depend entirely on who is speaking. Meaning also shifts based on sentence structure. She almost failed every test. She failed almost every test. Same words, completely different outcomes. One student is stressed, the other is grounded. Semantics shows up in instructions. Clean the room, does that mean pick things up? Vacuum, organize, or just shove everything into a closet and hope for the best? Semantics decides how much trouble you are in later. Semantics also controls legal chaos. You may leave early. You must leave early. One is permission. One is a command. Lawyers build entire careers on these differences. Fun fact, semantics comes from the Greek word semantikos, meaning significant, which makes sense because semantics decides what part of your sentence actually matters. Semantics is also why online arguments never end. Two people agree on facts, but disagree on definitions. One person means freedom, the other means control. Everyone is technically correct and deeply annoyed. Branding lives on semantics. Natural does not mean healthy. Luxury does not mean high quality. New and improved does not promise improvement. Same product, different wording, different expectations. When someone says that was interesting, interesting can mean engaging, confusing, disappointing, or I have already forgotten this. Semantics leaves clues, but never confirmation. If grammar tells us how sentences are built, semantics tells us what they mean. And if pragmatics tells us what people intend, semantics explains why the words alone still cause chaos. So, semantics is not just about language. It is about interpretation, power, and control over meaning. Like, subscribe, and join Legacy Lab for language and sociology concepts that actually make sense. Comment on a word people always misunderstand. See you next time!